Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It is hashtag plan fun get things done today with myself, and we've got a couple of other participants in this challenge. We're actually challenging ourselves to do what we possibly can on a day-to-day basis. We plan in our planner, but what we can't do, we leave it for another time. We don't stress ourselves, we just keep going and do what we can. If you'd like to join, feel free. It is open to anyone, so I hope you will join us. Now, as usual, I'm planning for the 22nd of January until the 28th, and on a Monday, as usual, it's wash and dry. And I've got top priority this week. Today I've got to make an appointment for the nurse. I'm going to take my walk with Archie, and I've got my 10-minute collage to do. I'm going to clean Archie's face, and that's about it for today. Tomorrow I'm going to fold and pack away the clothes while I'm having a cup of tea, and I would like to do the linen cupboard tomorrow, but the towels I've done Archie's shelf this month. I have done the shelf with all my hair products. I have done the sheets, and now I'm doing the towels, so I'll get that done tomorrow. And also I want to go through 2 drawers in the kitchen. I done the cutlery drawer this month, I done the utensils drawer, and I have a drawer with all the foil and cling films and the you know, the food bags and stuff like that. I want to go through that drawer, and I also want to go through the drawer just underneath it, which has got sort of like little containers, very small containers to put little things in. So I want to go through those 2 drawers. They won't take me long, that's why I'm going to do 2. I definitely want to take a long walk. If Archie doesn't want to come with me, I normally bring him back home, and then I go back and do my long walk. Each week I keep forgetting to put down that I clean Archie's face. I clean his face every day. So Monday, clean his face. Tomorrow, clean his face. Wednesday, I'll be cleaning his face. Wash and dry as per usual on a Monday. Take the long walk. I want to manicure my nails, my fingernails, but I'm not worried if I don't get it done. I'm not bothered. I just thought I'd give myself a little bit of self-care by doing that, but I don't mind if I don't get it done. Then it's no big deal. I did say I've got to clean Archie's face, right? Thursday I'll be cleaning his face. Going to take a long walk first thing in the morning. And I will look for a movie, because it's movie night on Thursday, me time, and I fancy a pizza this week. Not every week, sometimes I do have a snack of something, popcorns, pizza, you know, crisps, something like that, but I don't have it every week. But definitely Thursday I really fancy a pizza. Right, so that's Thursday. And it's a bit quiet, but I've got things to do anyway. I've got beds to make up. Somewhere's going to need a hoover. Going to wipe down somewhere. Going to do this somewhere. Going to do that. So, you know, this is just, it may not look like much, but I do get other things done. And if I get a little tired by doing the other things, something I may not do. I might miss something on in the planner and leave it for another day. That's how simple I am making my cleaning chores. Right, Friday it's wash and dry, clean Archie's face, take the long walk, so that's another quiet day. Saturday, fold and pack away the clothes, craft all day. I'm gonna clean and trim his face, Archie's face, on Saturday. I always give him a little trim, you know, do my little bit of grooming the best way I can until he actually goes and get a professional groom. Sunday is back to church and clean Archie's face. I may have soaked my feet when I get back from church, just depending what I feel like doing. I might just want to come and sit in my craft room and do some crafting. I might just want to watch some YouTube channels, you know, watch some other people's channels, and you know, if I'm inspired by them, if I like their channels, then obviously I will subscribe. But anyway, that's all that is planned for this week so far, and I'm happy with that. Now up here, it's got top priority for to book the appointment with the nurse, and another sticker here, important, which my 10-minute collage is, of course. What other stickers have I got? Got a big coffee cup here, and and this happy times ahead. Right, so I used 2 Happy Planner sticker books, Supermom and the Teacher, so I got some stickers out of those. And these stickers I got from Amazon when I bought a couple of budget binders, so they came with the binders. This sticker book, I used the grey and the yellow boxes out of here, and this is from IKEA. I have had this for years. I'm really trying to just use up my stickers and washi and everything that I can get my hands on. I used these little letters from, I think it was Tiger, can't remember now. I think it was Tiger, to put more joy here. So I used those. As I said, I really want to use up a lot of things that I have. Just don't want them sitting around anymore. And these stickers, like the tea and the church and the walk-in with the dog, they all have come from a little website that I found. If you are interested in the website, let me know and I will leave a link for you in your comment to that. So the teacups and the soaking the feet and the manicure, dog walking, what else, church, washing machine, telephone, that's all come from that website. And that's it. I got this one from out of my sticker container that I got from Temu, a little Temu sticker haul that I got months and months ago. I got this, and this says happy times ahead. I have to try and put some kind of inspirational sticker somewhere, or if I think about something, I will just write it down, something to kind of uplift me, keep me going, you know. So I thought about that, more joy. And to be quite honest, there's not much letters left, so I looked around and I thought, what can I do, yeah. So I found that, and I thought that was quite appropriate. And that's it. That is it for this week. Now, nothing isn't set in stone. Things are subject to change, but I'll just keep it very minimal. And obviously I most probably will take a nap or two throughout the week, throughout these chores, just see how it goes. But keeping yourself happy and doing what you can is the most important thing. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Oh, that was a big glare there. I didn't even realize that. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back soon. Bye for now.